guys, welcome to True Academy. Now let's discuss brief with distributive property. The distributive property is an algebraic property that is used to multiply a single value and two or more values within a set of parentheses. It is essential to multiply each of the two numbers by the factor and finally perform the addition operation, stated as a into b plus c, that equals a into b plus a into c, where a, b and c are three different values. Let's take a simple example. 2 into 4 plus 3. 2 into 4 plus 3 should be written as 2 into 4 plus 2 into 3. That equals 14. The 2 outside the brackets is multiplied onto everything that the inside the brackets. Note, follow the above rule for every number. According to the property, the product of a sum or difference of a number is equal to the sum or difference of the products. In algebra, we can have the distributive property for various arithmetic operations such as distributive property of addition, distributive property of subtraction, distributive property of multiplication and distributive property of division. Distributive property of multiplication. For example, we have 10 and 3 on the left hand side, then multiplied by 5. This expansion is rewritten by applying the distributive property on the right hand side, where we distribute 5 and then multiply by 5 and add the results. The result is similar in each case. 5 of 10 plus 3 equals 5 into 10 plus 5 into 3. 5 of 13 equal to 550 plus 15. That equals 65 equal to 65. The distributive properties of addition and subtraction can be utilized to rewrite expressions for different purposes. Distributive property of division. We can divide larger numbers using the distributive property by breaking those numbers into smaller factors. Let's have an example. Divide 84 by 6. We can write 84 as 60 plus 24. Hence, 60 plus 24 divided by 6. Now distributing division operation for each factor in the bracket, we get 60 divided by 6 we get 10 and 24 divided by 6 we get 4. So that equals 14. Let's have another example. Solve the 4 of 2x power 4 plus 7x using the distributive property. Using distributive law, we have 4 into 2x power 4 plus 4 into 7x. That gives you 8x power 4 plus 14x.